Yes sir, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King, man. Y'all see what we got today. Got the Benz out. Alright, this is a customer's car, and it is a 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. Alright, and today we're gonna be working on this grill.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Client hit me up, said he had that little accident, need a grill replaced. He ordered his parts. We're gonna see what we got. That is the actual grill itself. Emblem. It's a little light. It goes in the center. Pop right in. Plug up. Let's get it. This here particular job is a around about a 2-hour job. I did some research. And the dealer, they actually want $205 per hour, and comes out to be about $410 plus tax or whatever they charge you. So I'm charging my client here today, while we talking numbers, $300 even for the labor. Not bad. Make it fair for him, fair for me. All right, let's get it. So in order for this grill to come out and be replaced, we're gonna have to remove this whole bumper itself and get behind there, take that out. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna run through that. So we got 10mm bolts at the top, across. This little bezel is broken, as you can see, but we're gonna work with it. Hopefully nothing else is damaged, but it hit something. It's gonna be some other bolts that we gotta take out that's hitting up under here, so we're gonna get to it. So after we do the top portion, we're gonna have to get to the bottom. I wanna go ahead and point all this out before I jump into it. And we're gonna be taking off the fender wells so we can gain access to everything on both sides. So we're gonna have to jack the vehicle up to do that, make it more accessible. Once we got those 5 bolts out, so you can pull on it. I'm gonna pull back on these tabs, and those 8mm bolts. They on both sides. It releases it from those points there. And I believe that's it for the top portion. Now we can go to the sides. Jack the car up, take the tires off. Normally you would have this fender well here is attached to this skid plate, and all this has to come off, but luckily they don't have nothing up under here. That's not good for Benz, being exposed like this. Yeah, But less work for me. Alright, we're gonna start with these tabs right here. Got one here, one there. That's all that's holding it in, so we're gonna remove those from the bumper. Those are the clips. That's the tool I'm using. Alright, now I'm gonna get up in here with some light. Get focused. Now we can move this flat back up in here. You can see what it's attached to right here. That's gonna be a bolt that needs to be removed. And that's the bolt I just took out. 8mm. And right behind that bolt is another bolt. And that one is a 10mm. Switch it up on. Alright, once that comes out, should be able to remove that from there. Since there's no skid plate, I should be able to come right out. Like that. Go over on the other side and do the same thing. Same thing. See, all of this is missing, so I don't have to worry about too much, but those that's doing this themselves, they will see it's a little bit more that you have to take off that I'm not able to show. And that's the bottom portion of the skid plate. Out with that side. Now we got, take out that cord right there, that connector, and then it should be able to fall off. Got some broken, dang, it's stuck in the, got a hole in the radiator, but it's stuck. Got some pieces in here that look like it broke. Turn this around, get it some shade. See what we got going on. Alright. So, this here is broken. Gonna have to work with this. But, get this grill out of here. Looks like it got some screws holding it in. I don't think that's supposed to be there, but it's normally all clips. We're gonna get this out here. We got these clips holding it in. Take this portion out that's left. Alright, show you what I'm seeing before I just take it all off. Now, these here, see these little rivets, these little notches. Alright, they go up in here. And they pop into place. And that's how they lock in. But you see this right there? Hole, it goes up in there. Boom. So it goes like that all the way around it. When you pop that out, the grill starts to come out. Alright, that's that grill. And as you can see, all of those help the grill stay in. And obviously, somebody had been in here trying to rig it up. That's why they had screws in here holding it in, when in all actuality it's supposed to look like this. With no screws. Everything is held in by the tabs. And once you put it in place, it stays in. All right, now I can go ahead and take off this top portion and put it on here. And that's that piece. Alright. As you can see, it's broken. You know, the dealer would hit you with a lot more and be charging you more because it's more work that needs to be done. But I knew it would be more work, but this is what my client provided, and this is what I'm going to do for him. Alright, so we're going to work with that. Alright. Now, we're going to put it on here. And as you can see, these tabs, they're going to go inside of here. And they're going to hook in there. Got that in there, snapped in, boom. Now we're going to go ahead and install this beautiful symbol. And basically this thing snaps in pretty much. Got these tabs, put it in and twist and turn it, and it snaps in. Alright, everything snaps in. And it's supposed to, of course, if you don't have any damage done to the vehicle, the bumper itself. Like this here. But we're working with it. And push that back into place. Like that. Alright, we got this plug here, plug it up, and wire it. Figure out what we're wiring to. It's looking like this is the wire. That might be it. Alright, let's go. Reverse order. Put everything in place, man. All these bolts back in. Yes, sir. Just like that. Gotta wire this bad boy up. And I'm going to my next, man. Went ahead and wired up the light. See, it's on. Boom. Go ahead and melt that. Good to go. Yes, sir. If y'all liking the content, man, you know what to do, man. Hit that notification bell. You already know. Like the content, like the video. Appreciate the support out there, man. Go ahead and comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell, man, so you don't miss these videos when they drop. Stay tuned for the next, what's that, the April, March. We'll be in March, April. Make sure you stay tuned for the April's giveaway. All right, man, y'all be blessed. The Pull-Up King.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.